First of all, I think we all would like to say a big thank you to the audience for making this film such a big hit and for giving us such a wonderful, fantastic response. So thank you, audience. We all love you. And I think now let me start with saying a big thank you to Parchuri Prasad Garu for, making me a part of this. And of course, my rock star director, Gopichand Malinini Garu. It was a fantastic experience working with him. He is always as calm as this. So, he made everyone's life very easy and he, I think, took all the stress on himself and still he stays as calm as this. So, I think it's fantastic to have a director like that. Thank you, sir, for making me a part of this. Of course, Ram Garu. Ram is a fantastic co-star and I hope I get to work with such co-stars again and again. He just made it, so easy. Of course, he's the energetic star that everyone knows him as, but a really sorted guy, very chilled out guy, very nice guy, and so is this beautiful girl, Rakul. It was a fantastic experience working with her. We had, of course, a few combination scenes, and like I've been saying, Rakul keeps helping me with my Telugu. So thank you, Rakul, for that, and thank you for being such a nice co-star. And of course, thank you to all of you. And you all, I still haven't seen the film. I'm watching it tomorrow in the single screens, and I have been hearing great things about everyone. And a big thank you to the hero here, who has given us such a fantastic script. And I had only heard about you, sir. And now I'm so happy and so honored to be a part of a film that you've written, and hopefully many more to come. So thank you, everyone, and again a very big thank you to the audience.